Hello everyone, it's Patty and welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be sharing with you the unboxing of the gorgeous July subscription box from Simply Gilded. Now this is a brand new box. This has not been shipped out yet to regular subscribers. I am part of the Simply Gilded team, and for that reason I received mine early to share with any prospective new subscribers. But if you are a subscriber, you're going to be receiving this box the last week of the month. Now if you're not subscribed and after seeing this video you would like to get your own box, just go to simplygilded.com and you can purchase the box for $25 plus shipping, and there's also a 5mm add-on which I also will be sharing with you. Now going back to the box, the theme of this month is the Enchanted Forest, and it's absolutely stunning and it's truly magical. I mean, I love the artwork. It's this kind of dreamy, magical artwork with this waterfall, and there is all this rose gold foiling here on the name, here in the little stars, all the details here on the side. As always, it says the title of this month box, the volume, and then here in the back again we have little juniper, all this in rose gold foiling. And so there's a lot actually included in this box, so I will be taking everything out and I'll be sharing every single thing you get. So if you're subscribed and you do not want to have your surprise spoiled, please stop watching now. Otherwise, when I come back, I will be showing everything that is included. And before I take everything out of the box, I actually wanted to share with you the gorgeous 5mm add-on that is the add-on for the month of July. Now this is $5.75, and this has to ship with the main subscription box, but again you get 4 of the 5mm washi tapes, which I love and I use in all my layouts. These are perfect for your obonichi, but these are absolutely stunning. So these are also available on the website. Now let me take everything out of the main box and I'll be right back. And I'm back, guys, and first of all, every box comes with a little menu, so you get a list of everything that is included, so you can double check that you have everything, and also it kind of reminds you of, like, when did you receive what. So the first thing on the menu is the foiled journaling card, and this card is beautiful. I love the rose gold foiling. There's this ombre effect on it. The colors are just so beautiful together, so it goes from a little bit of like a light blue to a darker blue to a periwinkle, and it says stay enchanted. I am absolutely in love with this card. This is totally frameable. The next thing on the menu is designer washi tapes, and you get 5 washi tapes this month, and we have a 50mm Stardust, and I'll be opening them up to give you a closer look. Then a 10mm matching Stardust. Then we have this gorgeous 50mm with a moth design, and then 2 of the washi with the bow washi in this beautiful rose gold, which is a very deep rose gold, more like slightly coppery, and then the matching 10mm. But let's start with the Stardust. The Stardust is actually one of my favorite designs. Whenever Irene releases one, I always buy it because it's, they're just beautiful, and I love so you can see how this one is. So it has like an ombre effect, so it goes from a pink to a green to a purple, and then green again. So this is just stunning, and the foiling is let me double check it. I think, yeah, there's some silver mixed in with some rose gold, and then you have basically the same design in the 10mm, and I love that because when you're doing a layout or everything, the 10mm comes in very handy. And here it is, and how stunning is that? So pretty, so gorgeous together. Love, 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 love it. So I am in love with these 2 babies. Actually, I'm gonna lift them up. There they are, beautiful. And then I'm gonna show you the moth design, which, I mean, she is so pretty. She looks like a more like a like I love moth, I love butterflies. I have a lot of flowers planted in my front yard that attract a lot of butterflies, and they're beautiful. And I love the background. It's this blue sky with little stars, and the moth are different design. This is again a rose gold foiling. And then we have the bow washi, which you know, I have a large collection of, and this is a gorgeous rose gold. It's very intense, it's very rich, and then it has the white bows on it, and it comes with the same, I don't know if you want me to swatch it, but I'll swatch it, you know, show you anyway. This is the little 10 millimeter matching bow washi. Now after the bow washi, we get the sequin shaker pouch. And how gorgeous is this? I love my little pouches. So it has all these little sequins with butterflies in there. There's stars that are rose gold. There's leaves. It's so cute, and it's absolutely practical. I use my pouches all the time. I actually have 2 in my gym bag. I have 1 in my purse. So you don't have to necessarily use them just for you know, your planner supplies. I'm actually thinking of doing a little maybe a video on how I use my pouches, because there's truly never enough pouches for me, because I use them for so many different, you know, different reasons. Then we have 3 of the Moth Seals, and these are beautiful. You can use these to make little page markers. You can use them on gifts. You can use them in your layouts. They're I love the rose gold foiling on them. And then we're getting the sticker kits. And the sticker kit is actually 3 full sheets. Now, I always say this is the paper that Irene uses is different from the older kits. So if you have not subscribed for a while, this is a thinner paper. This is kind of like unicorn paper. So it's very soft, but it's very buttery, and as a gorgeous the color itself, the colors on the sheets is really intense, really rich. Now here's the first sheet. So in the first sheet, you're getting actually 5 full boxes, and I love this double basically box design with the which matches the subscription box. Then you have some little deco, you have some flags, you have little headers. Love it. I love the unicorn. It says dreamer, keep growing, keep glowing. And again, it's rose gold foiling. And then, actually I want to show that last, sorry. The second sheet, we're getting 3 more boxes, full boxes. So we're already at 8 here. It says Enchanted. We're having some little icons. We're having little mini headers. So then we're having the days of the week, some more headers. And then we're having little flags or lists. And then we have 1 extra sheet. So we're getting another box, full box. So now we're at 9, so there's a lot here, but I wanted to show you that on this sheet that she had this time, there's also some deco, a couple more checklists, but she has added the half boxes, and here they go. So these are actually half boxes, so there's 4 of them. And I love the half boxes, because it helps you, you know, to decorate your, you know, layouts even more. So again, this is a lot of stickers. I don't know if you buy sticker sheets, sticker sets, but they, you know, they're not cheap. And then we have the little Moth Magnet, which is so pretty. I love these designs. I mean, she truly reminds me more of a butterfly. Her colors are so beautiful. And it comes in a cute little, with a cute little backing. It comes in plastic. Clearly, I removed it because I didn't want to bother you with all the paper noise. And then we're having the foiled sticky notes. And these are gorgeous. Rose gold foiling. They are very you know, the design, it's just like magical. I love this background. I think I'm gonna keep actually this one on the backing, because the backing is just as gorgeous. I love this this design. I love the colors. I love everything about it. And then we're having the rose gold leaf cuff. Oh yes, so excited. Now this is basically the cost of your subscription box, because Irene's bracelet, which I wear all the time, the little cuffs, are $25 in the shop. And this is a gorgeous adjustable cuff. It's a rose gold, and it says, first of all, stay enchanted right in there. It's adjustable, so I am just gonna wear it right now. So I'm gonna show you, just put it on, and then you just press it, and there you are. So you're already set. I love it, and a bargain, because again, this is just basically the cost of the box. And then this month we don't only get one one pen, but we get 2 pens. We're getting the Sakura Silver Shadow Jelly Roll, which is so cute. I love jelly roll pens. And they come like that. They're super cute. And then we have the gorgeous pen. Now this is the new style of pens that are going to be released. There's also refills that you can get on the Simply Gilded website, but the color, everything about it is so beautiful. It goes from pink to like a periwinkle with these gorgeous leaves that are gold foiled again, and these write beautifully. I use them every day. I use them in my planners. I keep one in my purse. So love this. And then there's actually one thing, because when I was showing you the sticker seals, there's also another sheet of seals. Now these both seals I use in my to make page markers. I put them on top of a page marker and then I laminate them, and the colors are just stunning. And I'm going to share with you everything again that is included in the subscription box, because you do get so much. Again, if you're not subscribed, please go to simplygilded.com and you can get your sub box. You can get your add-on. If you're already subscribed, you will be receiving this box at the end of the month. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to me on Instagram, or you can also email simplygildedbox@gmail.com with any questions. Otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I hope you will enjoy the box. Bye bye.